Within whatever is happening in higher education, you have tons and tons of institutes that are producing good engineers. And I keep telling and I keep asking people, whoever gives a job to a good engineer? This journey from good to great engineer predominantly comes at the shoulders of a lot of courses which are outside the typical ECE curriculum. In 2006, I completed my doctorate from University of Texas at Austin, came to Risalpur as an instructor at College of Aeronautical Engineering. So during the last 12-13 years of my stay in the Pakistan Air Force from 2006 to 2018, I was mostly involved in research and development activities. The exposure in the Air Force, managing the projects, doing research and development, managing the human resource, gave me an immense exposure and outlook, and that has helped me once I have settled at Habib University. If somebody is looking at in the nomenclature of the courses, the title of the courses, the code of the courses, that's not where the answer lies. The answer lies into what is happening within those courses. So आप कहें कि आप controls पढ़ा रहे हैं तो वो controls आप कहीं पे भी पढ़ा रहे होंगे. The way you unfold that course, that is where the magic is happening. हमारा जीना मरना जो है वो अंडरग्रेड स्टूडेंट्स है, हमारा फोकस अंडरग्रेड स्टूडेंट्स है, विच इज़ द मोस्ट निग्लेक्टेड कोहोर्ट in a typical university where the focus is just masters and PhD students. क्योंकि innovation all of a sudden एक MS और PhD student से नहीं हो सकती. इसके पीछे पूरी एक फाउंडेशन है और एक साख्त है, और हायर एजुकेशन की जो फाउंडेशन और साख्त है वो एक अंडर ग्रेजुएट 4 साल का करिकुलम है that have to be reimagined in Pakistan, that have to be put in the right focus, and that's where the concentration and the focus lies, and the innovation and research would automatically happen. For example, हमारे यहाँ जब एक स्टूडेंट फ्रेशमैन फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में आता है, so we introduce them through a very bold course which is known as Introduction to Electrical and Computer Engineering. It's a completely project-based course where the entire learning is happening through 3 to 4 projects from a simple electronic circuit all the way to microcontrollers. Similarly, हमारा एक कोर्स है जिसको हम कहते हैं Engineering Design and Innovation, which is introduced in the 6th semester just before the final year project, जिसमें हम उस स्टूडेंट को डिज़ाइन थिंकिंग से एक इंडस्ट्री रेलेवेंट प्रॉब्लम, तो कभी हम पार्टनर कर लेते हैं किसी हॉस्पिटल के साथ, जैसे अभी 1 साल पहले हमने आगा खान हॉस्पिटल के साथ पार्टनर अप किया था, या कराची की जो ट्रैफिक प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसको अगर हम थीम बना लें तो उससे डिज़ाइन थिंकिंग पढ़ा के एक प्रॉब्लम की रेजोल्यूशन उस डिज़ाइन थिंकिंग की अप्रोच से उसको सॉल्व कराते हैं, सो दैट व्हेन ही और शी इज़ डूइंग द फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट, सो दैट्स वेयर he can apply those design thinking rules and solve those problems. ये जो good to great की journey है, it comes from a set of courses which are at times outside your typical इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग करिकुलम, जिसमें आप उसे फ़िलासफ़ी पढ़ाते हैं, मॉडर्निटी पढ़ाते हैं, पाकिस्तान एंड मॉडर्न साउथ एशिया पढ़ाते हैं, क्रिएटिव प्रैक्टिस करवाते हैं, क्वांटिटेटिव रीजनिंग, फॉर्मल रीजनिंग करवाते हैं. सो एवरी इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट गोज़ थ्रू अ वेरी सेट ऑफ कोर्सेज इन अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक order, chronological order, and with a set of these 4 courses. So it's a very well thought out program which builds, which is basically unlike any other undergrad program being offered in Pakistan. Traditionally, somebody would construe कि ये जो लिबरल आर्ट्स एजुकेशन है, हम लिबरल को कभी कभार कनोटेट करते हैं द वे यू ड्रेस, द वे यू टॉक, द वे यू इंटरैक्ट विद पीपल, बट बेसिकली डीप डाउन it's the complete faculty which basically indulges in the students to have these deeper questions of why we are here, what we are supposed to do, what is our responsibility towards towards the nation, towards the environment. And this intellect, this reflection, this deep course, it basically comes out of a number of courses and a number of faculty which is embedded in this liberal arts education. Around 1998 पे we had a very strong in a way recognition of the problem कि हमें human capital पे emphasis देना है, उस पे energy को divert करनी है. तो I say this very loudly that the nations are built at primary school. Nations are not built in the master's and PhD program, which in no way I'm saying that they are not important, but it's the primary education school where the nations are built. I think what we went wrong was to bring a model and this belief कि अगर हम masters and PhD students के numbers बढ़ा देंगे, उनकी publication बढ़ा देंगे, उनकी research की output बढ़ा देंगे, then everything would come. At the end of the day, it's not about the numbers, it's about the person who's behind that research and that mind that you are grooming. So that effectively that should start from the primary education. लेकिन अगर आपने higher education ही में किसी चीज़ को fix करना है, तो there are no two thoughts about it that you need to focus on the undergraduate education.